So far so good, my journey on YouTube hasn't been a waste of time. Regardless of the numbers of subscribers I have, I've been able to convert my time here into money. As you know, it is not about how far but how well. In one of my previous videos, I promised to do a video about how I have benefited financially on this platform, YouTube. This is one of the videos. So, if you want to learn strategies to make money on YouTube, you better stay until the end of this video and don't forget to subscribe. Okay friends, if you've already done that, let's rock and roll. My journey here on YouTube hasn't been easy at all. With my busy schedule, I've always found means to drop videos here. Over the past few months, my love for content creation has escalated. I just can't stay without thinking about what I will drop next. Every long videos that I have dropped on this platform are literally what I have learned in the past. How I have tremendously grown on this site has been overwhelming. As you may know, my video is all about me vlogging from my room or my workspace, doing video tutorials, teaching and solving real life problems. If you have not been with me all this while, I think it is time you be, because lots are here on my channel and more are yet to be dropped. So waste no time to stick to my videos. So now let's get to it. When I drop my video, I always cut a voice to make money along the way. With all these many social media platforms, I ask myself, what more can I do? This question sparks the inner light in me, and my potential at that angle was ignited, and ways to convert my talent into money were discovered. Firstly, I researched and outlined problems that people face on YouTube. Secondly, I invented a possible solution to this problem. Thirdly, I asked myself, who is my audience and where can I find them? I researched and found here to get them. Additionally, I ask, how do I make people see the value of what I sell? I later find a better way to package my product. There are more to what I did to achieve success. So now let me practically explain what this is all about. The problem I solved was helping people understand content creation, YouTube and its algorithm. I will notice that many people love content creation and want to be monetized on YouTube, but don't know how to start. And many have started but didn't know how to continue. And many are in the process but are struggling and want to give up. So I decided to find these people and call them together. A week before gathering them, I created a survey and published the link on almost all social networks to know the problem people have regarding content creation. To my surprise, I received hundreds of feedback. To address their concerns, I made video tutorials, test documents, and voice notes. At first, I designed an advertisement flyer using Photoshop with a very low amount so that everyone could participate in my first launching. I published the flyer on social media, most especially on Facebook. In my course of research, I learned that Facebook is the best marketplace. Hundreds of people accepted my invitation and joined my WhatsApp group. Before the starting date, I created a course curriculum, which was a 7 days long course, and I also created terms and conditions with course policies. After the course began, I was on the platform every day to drop daily tasks and motivate people to make sure everyone turned up their assignments. So what were people challenges? 1. Some people don't know how to create YouTube channel. 2. Some YouTube channels were personal YouTube and not the brand YouTube. 3. Many people don't have the motivation to create video content. 4. Many people don't know how to design a catchy thumbnail, edit videos, and choose good title. There were more to these challenges that I corrected in the space of 7 days. Many of my students progressed with testimonies popping up every day. Most channels were visible, receiving subscribers, views, likes, and comments. Some were monetized. You might be thinking, how can I lead people when I've not reached monetization? The thing is, you don't need to have all the experience before you can lead someone. The little you have might be helpful to someone at first. I knew I was ahead of some people and they were my major target. I was there to motivate, to push, and to get them to do something every day. In the end, I was amazed to see that even those who were ahead of me joined and enjoyed the course. The few lessons I learned during this course are: 1. I learned that everyone needs motivation. 2. You don't need to know it all before you start or teach. 3. People are waiting for your message. 4. Don't be afraid or be unloved. 5. Package products, best sales. 6. Don't listen to what others think. And lastly, don't give up. Keep learning and keep striving. I made over 300k in this process, and I'm planning to launch another phase of this course soon. We are currently updating the course to meet your needs. In conclusion, my joy is the impact I have had on people's life and my ability to be creative. This is not all I have made on YouTube. In my subsequent video, I will tell you about the rest. I have tried and failed so many times, and I'm glad that I could start again. Please don't give up. Hey friends, thank you for reaching the end of this video. If this video motivates you and you want to learn more about strategies that you can use to make money on YouTube, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be the first to see videos like this whenever it pop up. Alright, thank you and stay good and stay cool till we meet in the next video. Bye bye.